Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to import photo from iPhone to your PC. So I'm provide full guide. So at first you take a cable Type-C to USB cable, and USB cable connect your PC and Type-C cable connect your iPhone. I'm just connect this and I'm get this notification. Press on to allow. Okay, and unlock your phone. Okay, alright, go to your PC, press on and search set to photo apps. Just open this, follow the left side showing it to Apple iPhone. Press on and you just wait few seconds, then successfully showing here your all photo and video from your iPhone. Okay, alright, and you just select any photo, like I'm select, press on to add to item, create folder to new folder, press on create and press on to import. And that's it. That's how we can easily import a photo from iPhone to PC.